lelei Pikalan
Kanda pi tharai kan ni kapisa Kali jauh na kan ni Ba ka hospital te kala ajngai nang ni
Binti aswa hang ni hadu Dadep por kamu
Sister, hap siu kat no ma?
Ka sorkar kala siulut ikijing lut jing separo.
Namar man ka way pa ka way ka minsim ka long ka bakordor.
U MLA ko jawai waman le umantri sorkar uwailat mikishla de ongu waka sorkar MDA de ye ko wawai ye ti moyong hadin wakang ke NGT house nem arjar khatso hewa itu ipor de em ke yakhi wajur hewa de do le ye mensin bru tangwa ki kendon wa de bu ko coal ministry yo ti moyong to daga scientific mining hewa ini de man ko iwa e bahaya ki bru yong I wo but ne daw irukom man ithau bahau chai Han la kat tele de em gi wadawan chakmat yo le yo biang uti moyong tangwa kat te resnyau thu to I wasuk khamtam ya gi wakhi moyong gi wakhian wanai we ka sorkar le snyau thu ko yeni de ongu wala ti moyong de vele da ka open cast mining mi hab ko ne baha ki par moyong wa MCI to ki wastang baha we da man go le idu nong kam te ha o semen le snyau ye ju de lang ki MLA ka jain te hills tang wa kam ko sorkar le em ko iba khli wo ya da ya karam aw we mto le wokta ye ki ikhan ki bru de pencheu le wakatu de Dadep pyrchang kat kam wa da ong ko sorkar pyrdi wo le da ka scientific mining hewa man go ko yo myntoi chei kam te ha o hi semen snyau wo la ye chambiang ya ka sorkar pyrdi yo thu de ki wi kilat yo ti moyong de wa perkhat ya ki khi moyong ki wakhian we ha ka jukstat kat ni em bai kilan
The representative from that area who knows everything well, what would you like to say, sir?
No, if you go back regarding this issue, it is not from the state government, it is from the NGT. And then in 2014, and in after 2014 also we have seen huge protests, fight and so many things, and we lost precious life also during those times. So, and for the information that I would like to inform each and everyone who are still confused, that right now after the intervention from the state government, especially from the MDA government, that now the coal ban has been lifted. But it's just that it has to be scientifically be mined. So we do understand that the kind of land and the kind of the way our miners mine in this area is very difficult and challenging for them to fulfill all those requirements from the coal ministry. So no doubt right now in the past few years people have been waiting and then to see that because there were big miners also have applied for the mining license. But now I think the people have started to realize that it's not easy. And it will be difficult for especially for the small miners.
Exactly.
And we also share the same sentiment with them. We do know because if they do open cast mining, it won't be beneficial anymore. Because you know that the kind of coal deposit we have in our area, it's in layer. So if we do this open cast mining, so they won't be getting any. They will be in loss, we'll say. So that's why I share the same sentiment. So I think we also here, especially the MLA from Jaitir region. So we are very concerned regarding this, and at the same time we do realize also as a government that we have a responsibility to balance things. We cannot at the same time destroy environment. That is also our responsibility. And at the same time, we have to see also that the livelihood of the people should continue.
So in that context, will the government at least try to negotiate with the state, central government, at least have a word.
Definitely. See, all this time, because how can we just go directly to the union government or to the whole ministry to say that this is we should go to that whole mining without trying the scientific mining. You see, so we cannot. So that, but now we have tried. Many of of our miners who have big land also have come forward. So they have tried. But but by all this, one thing we realize that it won't be beneficial. I think it is not fit for our area to do the open cast mining. So now at least I think from my end as the MLA from Jungle Hills region, I think all the other members also will share the same concern with me that we have tried, but it's not beneficial. So I think it's high time now we should approach the union government that will request them that that this thing which we are doing right now, it's not working. So maybe there are to explore other possibilities where we can keep the interest of the small miner as well. Because we are living in today's age, in today's technology. So I think if we explore, there will be I think some ways and means where I think we can keep the interest of these small miners.
One small